Uh-huh. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep. Let me get this shit. Killer verse, bring the hearse. I'm the best, I'm the worst. Now fuck that, I'm me. David Stories indeed. Don't need anybody to be somebody. I'ma do it on my own. One deep, two deep. In hip hop, just to stop roadblocks. Get out my way, roadblocks, get away. I'm a train on tracks, run the game, doing laps. Fuck flats, barefoot, I tear it up. On the block, we square it up. It's going down, you giving up. It's going down, I'm lifting up. Get back, I never front. Like an ass being cut full of shit, then you piss. Look at this, one of this, then hang like a broken this. Moody like a bitch, get the middle finger out the fist. Broken this, I never play. Broken this, you feel the pain. Running down your spine, you rain down my time. Every tick is a time, now sub my clock. Crazy how this bitch blow time, then blow mine. And it's crazy how these boys make noise about you. Saying how you're fake, but they don't know shit about you. This payback, but I never owe you. Zip, you hear that zip? Victims of whenever I spit, you better split. I'm so sick, I'm so sick, I'm so sick. My flow so tight, you hear it rip. And if you think you're harder than brick, I wish you would. And if you would, my mind's in axe. And if you slack, I will hack on these tracks to the no coming back. Run it back, run it back, run it back. If you hurt me, I'm lurking, vermerking. And if you hurt me, I am lurking, vermerking. And if you hurt me, I am lurking, vermerking. Vermerking. Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? All you motherfuckers on my hit list. Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? All you motherfuckers on my hit list. 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 Yeah. And it's like. And it's like. And it's like. Uh-huh. You see how I do it, you see how I does it, what it is, cousin. You see how I do it, you see how I does it, what it is, cousin. What it is, cousin. Yeah. I'm just a young dude that loves music. I'm trying to see how I live it. What I've seen, what I felt, what I'm going through. Hope you can relate. And if you hate, then oh well. I'm doing this, not you. You see how I do it, you see how I does it, what it is, cousin. You see how I do it, you see how I does it, what it is, cousin. What it is, cousin. What it is, cousin. Uh-huh. Tells the David Stories. Read it well.